once again and welcome to Constel English. This is Teacher Nika welcoming you to another exciting lesson. Today, you will learn how to make predictions and anticipations. But before anything else, let's begin with an activity. You are going to read 5 statements. If you believe that the statement is true, place a check in the agree column. If you believe that the statement is false, place a check in the disagree column. Be able to give your reasons for your choice of answers. I will give you enough time to accomplish this task. Now that you have completed your worksheet, I would like you to share your answers with a partner. We can now move on to another activity. Class, there are words that can make you understand a given text. These words are related to concepts, issues, and attitudes in the selection that you are about to read. Now group yourselves into 5 and study the cline. A cline consists of a group of words that show a graded sequence of differences or similarities. Carefully examine the graded sequence of differences among the following words from bottom to top. Obnoxious, filthy, dirty, littered. Any of these descriptive words can fit into a common sentence, but each would have a different shade of meaning. A careful arrangement of these words will help us see clearly the precise meaning of each word when used in a text. The cline is represented by lines which are arranged to show the degree of intensity of meaning. Why is obnoxious on top of the cline? You're right, because the word may mean extremely offensive or objectionable. And why is the word littered at the bottom of the cline? Yes, because the word may mean just a state of disorder. Here is another set of words. Try to arrange them in a cline to show an ascending order of intensity of meaning. I'll give you 3 minutes to do that. Okay, time's up. Which word do you think should be placed at the bottom? Yes, the word at the bottom is contaminated. What does the word mean? It means that something is impure if mixed with some elements. For instance, tap water becomes contaminated when it is accidentally mixed with acid. Okay, let's take up the next word in the cline. What is it? You're correct. The next word is poisonous. Why is this so? Yes, if something is contaminated, it can either be poisonous or deadly. What do you think the next word is? You're right. The next word in the cline is dangerous. It means perilous, hazardous, or risky. And what then is the last word? Yes, the last word is irreparable, something which cannot be repaired. Let's look at the final answer. Irreparable, dangerous, poisonous, contaminated. Here's another set of words. Classify the words according to these categories. Natural environment, man-made environment, adjectives or descriptive words. You can work with the same group. Time's up! Let's check your work. What words fall under the first column? That's right! The words under natural environment are rainforests, marine life, water, land and soil, and rivers and creeks. How about the words which belong to man-made environment? Yes, they are high-rise buildings, shopping malls, factories, golf courses, and irrigation systems. Now, name the adjectives or descriptive words. Yeah, they are devastated, polluted, indiscriminate, irresponsible, and destroyed. Did you get them all correct? What are these words trying to describe? Yes, they all relate to the environment. The vocabulary words we have just taken up are all from the selection which you are about to read. You will meet them again as you go through the reading text. Before we finally read the selection, let's study the universe of the text. Let's look at the title. The title of the selection is No Man is an Island. What do you think the selection is about based on the title? Well, the selection might be about us, about men who need each other in order to survive. To what is man compared? Obviously, to an island. An island is perceived to be isolated from the rest of the world. But no man can ever be isolated from the rest of the world. No man can live alone. Let's look further into the text. This time, I would like you to skim or briefly read the whole passage. Take note in particular of the first sentence in each paragraph. You may start reading. Time's up! Have you surveyed the text well? You may now have an idea of what the text is all about. I am sure you are more than ready to read the selection, No Man is an Island. What did you learn in this lesson? You learned that words in a line show intensity of meaning. A cline consists of a group of words that show a graded sequence of similarities or dissimilarities. Making predictions and anticipations is a reading skill which aids in comprehension. And that wraps up today's lesson. You may now read the selection, No Man is an Island. Till the next episode,